Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to work with the question, like this part here. The question will be kind of like a Q&A, and let's just start our way with creating an app. Start app question. Okay, now let's add question here to the settings. Let's save, close that, and let's start with the models. Let's import for the user, and let's go to page. Let's import the editor field. Okay, so first let's start creating like the both choices. All right, let me see. I think we have something in classroom. Let's take this one here. Both. This would be U, and this one stands for up boat, and this one for down boat. Okay. Start with question, model, and first field, let's put the user, foreign key. Just start copying this stuff, right? Okay, user. Here, let's put question user, right? Then we got the title. Let's put a mass length of 300. And body will be the editor field. Okay, let's put a created date time field. Auto now add, then here we put true. Then update date will be date time field. Here let's put I don't know add true. Okay, so now let's put a boolean field has accept answer. Just basically this one will be like it's being answered yet or not. Just put boolean field, and then the default will be false. And let's return the title. And then here let's get let's create a new function. Here let's put get answers here. And then here we're going to return the amount of answers that this question has. Okay. Let me just leave it empty for now. Now let's create a new model, the answer, right? Model. And then here, same thing. Let's copy this one. Start with the user. And then here, let's put answer user. Question, we're going to create a foreign key of question. Let's delete this one. Let's copy this body. Paste it here. And let's copy these fields too. Oops. Create a date and update date. And here, let's have both. And this one will be, oh, no, it cannot be positive. Integer field. I didn't put a positive integer field because we want to be able to put like -1, -3, just in case it gets like so many downvotes. Okay, the default will be 0. And then here is accept answer. And in here we put Boolean field. And then the default will be false. Okay. Now let's print self. This will return. Let's return the username for that one. Okay. So let's create a new function here. Let's create calculate votes. What it's going to do, this is going to, for example, like it's going to update the votes here with the amount of upvote or downvote. So first we need to get the upvotes, and we don't have it yet, so we can just let's create it now, right? So let's create votes, right? Models.model. And then here, the same thing. Let's put the user. Is the user. And then let's put votes user. And then let's copy this one. Oh, this one is the answer, not the question. So make sure you change this. Okay, answer, and then vote will be model that char field, and then here we choose the choices that we just created here, right? And then mask length of 1 because it's just one character, remember? And that's it. So here, let's put a date too. I don't know, okay, now we can get the, okay, so the e-votes will be votes here that object, oops, that object that filter, and then answer, for the answer we put self because we're in the same like kind of instance here. So comma, now we filter by the u because we're getting all the u votes, okay? And then we just count all of them, right? Now we need to do the same for the down vote. So oops, vote that object that filter answer self and then vote down. Same thing. And now what we do, this here self vote here we update it with u votes minus down votes, okay? we updated that, and then we put save, and then we return. What we return? They'll save the self vote. We return that because after we updated it, we need to return here. Because when we call this function, it will return the votes too. Okay, does it make sense? Now let's go back up to our get answers code here. So now put answer that object filter, and then question, because remember we got like a foreign key of question, we put self just like we did, and then here we put just that, and it will take it will return the amount of answers that this question has. Okay, we save that. Let's run the migrations. So make migrations. Flashes. Answer user. Oh, we need to add a related name here. So let's add a related name here, and let's put answer votes. Save. Let's try again, and it's working. So now let's run the migrations. Migrate. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got our model. So now let's create a new file here. Okay, and let's name this one forms.py for Django import forms. And then from question that models, what we need to import, we need to, let me check, we need to import the question and the answer. Why am I copying that? Okay, question and answer form. Oh, we need to import the widget. So let's copy, paste it here. Let's move it up. Okay, so let's start. Class question form. Forms, remember, model form. Okay. First will be the title. Let's just copy this one from here, right? Title and the body, which, and then we can copy the description. Perfect. Oh no. This one. Okay. This one will be the body. Okay. Here, class meta, model, question, fields, title, and body. Okay, that's the question. Let's create the answer form. Okay, for this one, we just need a body. We don't need anything. Okay? Because all of these are like defaults and stuff. So body, oops, class meta, model, answer, fields, body. Okay. Okay, we got our form and our models. and we just need to start working with the views. And we're going to start doing that in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.